A question I've been asked a lot is, why did I create AlgiZome? So for a while now, I've been incredibly excited by the potential of exosomes in the aesthetic space. But I was also pretty underwhelmed with the unethical sourcing, the low dosages, and often the vague claims by so many other brands. So I became driven to personally formulate AlgiZome with biomimetic, human-identical vegan exosomes with total transparency on the vesicle count. Then, I intentionally layered the synergistic actives carnosine dipeptide, marine biothermic concentrate, and our trademarked hydration complex to work in perfect harmony with this exosome. The result is a serum worthy of my clean science mantra, harnessing the most efficient cell communication and delivery system ever devised for healthier, youthful, and radiant skin.